Hello everyone, Starfishman 101 here. Right now I am about to show you something that you are going to be surprised with. Right here I have two little baby birds. They are both sitting inside of a cat litter box filled with grass, twigs, and sticks and other stuff. These two birds were situated in a nest all the way up there. We've been hearing them chirping for the past several days, but this morning when my mom came out, they were sitting down there in that spot right there. Either they fell out of the nest, or maybe we believe that my dad thinks that they were pushed out of this nest by a cowbird. There were three of them, but unfortunately one of them did not survive the fall. My mom has spent the day feeding them, and now we've put them in this little makeshift nest for the night. It's going to be raining tonight, so hopefully they'll sleep well. As you can see, they are very cute. Tomorrow we hope to call an animal rescue organization and see if they can take in these birds and nurse them back to health until they're old enough to fly away on their own. We couldn't get a hold of anyone today because many of them were closed on Wednesday. But for now, I thought I might as well document this event just for fun, and hope that maybe all you could enjoy it too. Very sweet little birds. I must say, this hasn't happened this often. I mean, it's rarely we've ever encountered something like this. I mean, I remember the time when we found three kittens at our farm on the Shenandoah Valley, but now we're keeping them as pets. But these two, unfortunately, I'm afraid they can't stay. But for now, they're just really adorable. I'm sure if you found this in your backyard, I'm sure you'd do the same thing. But anyways, we've situated them under this little table on our deck, and we're going to be we've covered it with this sheet here to keep them dry. Hopefully I hope we get a hold of someone so we can put them, so they can take them in and nurse and find a good home for them. These two birds, I'm sure one of these days they'll be able to fly off on their own. It's sad that we can't put them back in their nest, but I'm sure these two will be all right. Anyways, please leave a comment below about what do you think of this, and tell me if any of you have also encountered anything like this around your home, and I'll get back to you all soon. So, until then, I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you around.